Hello and welcome to the Stephen Mendes channel. In this third and final sound of the C, we use a slightly different approach. This is the third and final sound of the C patch and uses 4 low frequency oscillators operating at random speeds and phases and mixed together with a mixer. As in all the patches, we start with a pink noise and we put it into the signal input of the state variable filter. We take the output of the state variable filter, low pass output, and we put that into the signal input of your VCA. And of course the output of the VCA goes to your sound system. We take the sine wave output of 4 low frequency oscillators with the frequency changed between them. That's the 2, and this is the other 2. And so we have those 4 going into our mixer and then going to our slew limiter. We find that we need the slew limiter, that it's really indispensable in this chain, so we go from our LFOs to our slew limiter and then to our multiple, and finally to our modulation, 1 volt per octave on the state variable filter frequency, and control input 1 on our VCA. So that's the patch. We just need to look at the settings. First of all, our LFO frequencies. Levels.